Hi guys, James here from Titan Caravans. We are really excited to announce a fantastic opportunity for you to grab a great deal on either stock vans or new orders for 2024. We are doing a full upgrade to lithium batteries on all vans sold in November and December. We are talking about a premium lithium battery system upgrade. We are including a full 3-year comprehensive service plan to keep your new van in tip-top condition. We are also including a custom-made Titan Caravan starters pack with all of the accessories that you may need to get up on the road. We have got plenty of fresh new vans here in our Brisbane factory, with many more arriving for the Christmas rush. We are trading in all makes and models of caravans, campers and motorhomes. We have our finance manager on site to take applications, and we are open 6 days a week all the way up until Christmas.